Hey there, today we're going to look at how to create an org chart in Lucidchart. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to lucidchart.com. Over here, click the login button at the top right. Then enter your email and click next. After that, type your password and click login. Once you're logged in, click the new button near the top left. Then select Lucidchart from the options. After that, click create from template. Over here, search for org chart in the search bar. Then choose a template and click use to open it. Next, give your chart a name. After that, click import data to add employee details. Then click on each employee box to see the fields on the right. Over here, select fields like job title or department as needed. You can also drag and drop shapes to add divisions or show relationships. Adjust the layout to match your organization's structure. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.